Jiminy crickets. That was horrifying. Note to self, stay away from drains. Never know when they'll just suck you right in. Where am I, anyway? Oops. My deepest apologies. I know I might seem a bit unexpected, but rest assured, I don't mean any harm. And you still look absolutely petrified. Okay, would you like a hug? I heard that helps with... Oh dear, you're freaking out more. Okay, no hugs then. I'll stay over here in your bathtub then. Please calm down. I'm not going to come any closer, I promise. Dissolve you? No, never. Why would I? Wait, can I even do that? Anyways, no. Last time I checked, I'm not made of any sort of corrosive material. I mean, yeah, but I prefer liquids. Solid objects take far too long to break down and evaporate, which means that even if you fell into me by accident, you'll be fine. A bit sticky and slimy, but fine. By the way, I really like this bathtub. Oh, right, I should introduce myself. The name is Marlowe. And you are? I guess I should put my hand away, huh? I can see that you're just wearing a bathrobe. Oh, waiting for the shower to warm up. That makes sense. I must have scared you when I started coming out of it, huh? Again, I am really, really sorry. You see, I was using the sink in my apartment for something when I noticed the water wasn't draining like it should, so I made the careless decision to stick my hand to see if I could pull it out. Yeah, I pulled it out, but it then pulled me in. Next thing I know, I was gone through a dark passageway. Then a few minutes later, I ended up here. Yes, apartment number 3 in section C. Oh, so I'm your upstairs neighbour. Well, that explains a lot. By the way, you have a very nice bathroom and tub. I said that already. Oh, right, my bad. I guess I should get out, huh? I can stay in. Are you sure? Wait, for real? You've never met a slime before. I mean, I don't blame you. I don't exactly get out much either. If I go out like this, I'm bound to get something stuck on my body. I have to put on a suit, in a sense. I mean, yeah, I can put on clothes and stuff, but I have to focus and maintain a shape for it to work, and it can get exhausting at times. Yeah, in fact, watch this. Pretty cool, right? Do you need me to stay like this, or... Okay, I'll relax then. This is much better. Say, this is more or less my first time holding a conversation with a human for this long, so I am curious. How do you do it? I mean, how do you humans maintain that one shape for all your life? Doesn't it get tiring or difficult? What do you mean? I guess you're right. There are humans of various shapes and sizes. Wait, does this mean that humans can change shape then? Painfully slow. That sounds... painful. Oof. Going too fast sounds so much worse. So what you're saying is humans do change shape, just at a much slower rate, yes? Interesting. Well, I can't do much else outside of shape-shifting. I mean, this situation is already kind of weird, so sure, you can ask me a weird question. Oh, cleaning myself is easy. I can show you right now, in fact. Can I borrow your bathtub? Even though I'm already in it. Yep. A drain stopper and a bar of soap. That's all I need. Thanks. And done. And here's the soap. Sorry if it's tiny. Now here's the tricky part. Could you pull out the stopper for me? I'm scared I'll get sucked in again. Or the one I have at home is attached to this pulley system I have installed. That way I can pull it out a safe distance from the tub. Exactly, so the drain doesn't suck me in like it did today. No, I don't think it'll clog the drain. I mean, it never does when I do it. See? Yeah, pretty good, right? Oh, no. Think of it as putting a drop of oil on water. My body is too tense for me to infuse it with water, so I normally just store and expel it. It helps get rid of all the debris and stuff. Thanks. I should get going. Do you have, a pair of slippers or something? I'd hate to track my slime on your floor. Thank you. I'll bring them back. Clean, I promise. But I shouldn't. Aren't these your personal slippers? Well, alright. If you say so, I guess. I'll keep them then. Hey, I know this is kind of a strange first encounter, but you seem very nice. Maybe we can hang out sometime? Or something. What? Yeah. What? Yeah. Dinner sounds nice, actually. Jello is fine. Really anything that doesn't require chewing. Yeah, that's perfect. I'll see you then. And thanks. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another ASMR video. Honestly, I mean, 100 subscribers, what? I have been making something, kind of cooking up a script for you guys. I just want to say thank you. This is amazing. I remember saying something like I couldn't even imagine getting 6 subscribers, and now I'm at 100. It's just so incredible, and it's so nice to see you guys all talking in the comments, and I'm hoping that I can provide some nice sleep aid or whatever you guys listen to, whenever you guys listen to my voice. I think you guys are amazing, and I love you guys so much.